Hey guys, so it's Sunday, September 3rd, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice. Once again, I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, I feel completely wide awake, and I have lots of energy to run around with and play with my child. Once again, Amare Happy Juice is absolutely incredible. You can already tell by the look of my face that my acne is already disappearing. It's a combination of Amare Happy Juice and Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant, which is another product that I would highly recommend if you have any problem with acne. The combination of those two things has cleared up my cystic acne completely in the past, and it's starting to clear it up completely again. So it is absolutely incredible. It also helps me sleep better at night. It gives me enough energy that I am awake from the time I drink it in the morning till at least 8 o'clock at night when I start yawning, and I'm in bed by 10 or 11 o'clock at night. Amare Happy Juice is for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. 90% of the serotonin in your body is produced in your gut, and 70% of the dopamine in your body is also produced in your gut. So if you have anything going on with your serotonin and dopamine levels in your body, or if you have anything going on with your mental health, which is usually a problem with your serotonin and dopamine levels, then I would highly recommend that you start drinking Amare Happy Juice. Now, it is a little pricey. I'm in Canada, so it cost me over $200 a month to buy it, but I think it's completely worth it. I make sure that I always have the funds for it because it's completely 100% worth it to me, because it gets rid of my anhedonia and it makes me feel so much better about myself.